that gaff, mate.
Really?
Yeah.
Terrible.
Hey, don't tell anyone, don't tell anyone.
Terrible.
Oh, we went in there last weekend, me and Wayne with Charlie, it was funny, man. He's up for chicken and he wants the chicken.
Excuse the swearing, people. Some vile people out here. Say hello.
Have you tried the best chicken burger in Liverpool or what?
He said they've got the best chicken burger in Liverpool. What do you reckon?
In our heads we're going. Come on then, let's go. Yeah, but the thing is, if it's shit, just get off anyway.
You lot should want some strip clubs.
Yes, the lids. Don't know. Smile for the camera and that. Hello.
Tahini sauce, though, yeah? Tahini. Salad?
A margarita pizza.
How long are you there for?
What size?
Till tomorrow. Yeah, just one night. One night.
Need 3 days.
A 10-inch one.
How many times margarita, please? So here, this is the base.
Straight into the kitchen. This is the best.
Small thing.
We've lived here for long. We would have found it 4 years ago.
The guy was at the top of here.
It's the best one. It's the best of the year.
Thank you so much for being such a lovely guy and giving us lovely business. I'll do.
You're not keeping anything in the bed, he's like, waiting at him and right under the shelf, that's all they bless him. Otherwise you're going to get out of the shelf.
Honestly.
Listen, I give you bread separate, salad separate, and then the sauce separate, okay?
Really, thank you so much.
I didn't even know which is
Folks, I'm not giving you
I'm going to put you on TikTok. Thank you so much.
Have a lovely night, yeah? See you later.
Have a nice night.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, please, guys, come this side, please.
Welcome to Liverpool Kebab Shop. we eat kebabs.
You been together, that man, yeah? Cheeseburger with the chips on the thing. And then 27.30.
And if you're listening, you're a cunt. Rah!
Give you to stop and start.
I'll start from there.
You know where to start and start, don't you? Got the middle ground. And you watch it online, you go, where do you stop and start it? No, you don't.
Right, if you want to order, come this side.
He's a dirty bastard.
What's gonna be there? Just a normal guy, normal day.
And a farmhouse pizza, yeah? Pizza coming in a
Ooh, he's a fucking lovely guy. I love this place.
Can we get some of them?
That's okay, Max. Detail.
Can you give me that sauce?
There was plain part.
What sauce salad in your lunch on the kebab? Garlic, chili, tahini, sauce on the kebab.
Mayonnaise, please.
Just normal mayo, yeah?
Yeah. Separate salad.
Salad?
And a
Want a salad?
Sauce, garlic mayo. And this one, please.
Lettuce and cabbage, yeah? Don't want me to chips, salt, vinegar?
Yes, please. Can I have tahini sauce on that, please?
Want an all salad? All?
You said all lovely down in Liverpool.
Not always.
You know?
Oh, some of them are really bad.
Salt, vinegar.
There's a good one.
Just salt, please.
And garlic mayo.